Jasper keyboard shortcuts. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Jasper keyboard shortcuts to make your work more easier and faster. So let's get started. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. You can get your own Jasper right now. So when it comes to Jasper, we get a lot of different tools and we can use a lot of different shortcut keys to make our work more easier and a lot more faster. So first, simply open up the document that you are writing and I will show you all of the different shortcuts. Keep in mind the shortcuts I'm using are going to be on Windows and I will be using Control. If you are using Mac, then you can just replace Control with Command. Now let's get started with the shortcuts. If you have typed in your title and description and you want to compose, simply hit CTRL J and it will give Jasper the command to compose. Now, if I want Jasper to write something for me, I can go ahead and type in the command. For example, explain the above text for me and hit CTRL Enter. It will give Jasper the command to write. If you do not like the content, you can go ahead and hit Ctrl// and it will give Jasper the same command. So it will rewrite the command for you. If you want to undo what you did just now, hit Ctrl+Z. Similarly, I can highlight the text by hitting Ctrl+A. If you want to copy, just simply select the text and hit Ctrl+C. Now it's copied. And if you want to paste, then you will simply hit Ctrl+V. If you want to cut and paste, then you can select the text and hit Ctrl+X. And now again, I can just go ahead and hit Ctrl+V to paste. If you want to copy and paste something disregarding the formatting, then you can go ahead and type in Ctrl, Shift, and V. There you go. If you want to search a word, then you can of course go ahead and hit Ctrl+F, type in the word you're looking for, and it will show you how many times the word is used in your blog or the content that you're writing. And now we can of course replace it if we like. And then there are basic tools that we can use from here, such as bold, italic, and underline. But if you want to use the shortcuts, then of course you will select the text and you can hit Ctrl+B to make it bold. If you want to make something italic, then hit Ctrl+I. And if you want to underline something, then you will select the text and hit Ctrl+U. And it will be underlined for you. So these are some of the shortcuts that you can use on Jasper and create high quality content within settings. Using Jasper is just like having a writing assistant in your room. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. The link for Jasper is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. You will be able to get a 5-day free trial with the link and also get 10,000 words. Also, watch our other videos on Jasper so that you can learn more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.